What's going on, YouTube? All right, so I want to make this video as short as possible, but basically what I want to create is a video where we see if there's really a difference between owning an XLR microphone and a 3.5 millimeter jack input microphone. So basically like a little 3.5, kind of like a shotgun mic. So what I am doing right now is I'm actually talking through my Canon EOS R5. And so I'm using that audio so this way I don't mess anything up, because I don't really want to record off of the microphone. I want this to be like a neutral test. So this way all you really kind of hear is my voice talking through the camera right now. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into the audio samples. And basically it's going to be like audio sample number 1 is going to be probably this or that. And then audio sample number 2 is going to be the other one. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to record the same little excerpt that I kind of wrote. And then we're going to go ahead and see which one that you guys prefer the most. All right, we just went ahead and clicked this on. So essentially what I'm recording in is going to be my trusty Zoom H4N handy recorder. And then I also picked up this is the Zoom H4N Pro. So we're going to go ahead and record on those. The microphones that we are using, which I guess I will kind of give you a breakdown of which ones we are. One of which is the Polsen SCL-1080. The other one is going to be a Synco D2 Hypercardioid microphone. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this, starting off with audio sample number 1. All right, so this is going to be audio sample number 1. I'm going to go ahead and read this for you guys real quick, and then we're going to go to audio sample 2, and we'll discuss which one was which at the end of the video. Hey, my name is Jordan, and I started doing YouTube in 2019 to offer tips and reviews to help people decide on gear before making expensive purchases. In my reviews, I wanted to show people the pros and cons of a piece of equipment before they spend their hard-earned money. Hopefully, they help you along the way in your journey to making better purchases without the disappointment of spending money on something that you aren't 100% satisfied with. All right, that was audio sample number 1, and this is audio sample number 2. Hey, my name is Jordan, and I started YouTube in 2019 to offer tips and reviews to help people decide on gear before making expensive purchases. In my reviews, I wanted to show people the pros and cons of a piece of equipment before they spend their hard-earned money. Hopefully, they help you along the way in your journey to making better purchases without the disappointment of spending money on something that you aren't 100% satisfied with. So now that you guys have heard both of them, if you want, go ahead and rewind the video back and see which one you prefer the most, and then comment down below. So audio sample number 1 was the Polsen SCL-1080 through the Zoom H1N. That is the 3.5 millimeter jack input for your audio device. And the audio sample number 2 was the Zoom H4N Pro through the Synco D2 microphone. So let me know down in the comments which you guys liked the most. Was it audio sample number 1 or audio sample number 2? And just kind of, let me know what you guys think. Which one did you think sounds better? Would you spend more money on an XLR audio recorder and microphone, or would you spend a little bit less, get a 3.5 mil jack and a cheaper battery powered microphone? So let me know down in the comments if you guys like this video, or if you found it helpful, useful, or informational. Go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, also give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. I'm Jordan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.